Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to find and copy USDT ERC20 wallet address on your Bybit account. So let's get started by tap on asset, then you also tap on deposit, then you move down to the last option down here, then you tap on deposit crypto. So up here you're going to use this search bar to search for the crypto asset you want to buy. So I'm going to search USDT. You can see it up here. You can see that the top search USDT. Then here you're going to select the chain type, which is network type you want to use. So we're going to tap on ERC20. Then okay, you can see this is your ERC20 network address. Then you want to tap on this copy address, or you can also share this barcode with your friends that wants to send you money using ERC20. Thank you. Like and follow for more.